Hello friends, look at this customer phone. Battery bulged and the display is separated from the mobile phone panel. This is a very dangerous situation. Do not use your phone is like this. Let's go and do surgery on this phone. You can see how the battery is bulged. Let's start removing the screws from the back panel and replace the battery. This situation is very dangerous. You should not be using your phone or connect power cable when your battery bulged like this. This is the end of the phone or end of the battery life. Next thing you need to do is go to service center or come to us and get the battery replaced and start using your phone. Let me unscrew all the screws and start working on it.
ഇത് നീ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കുന്നേ ഡേഞ്ചർ